You stopped moving. You sat down. You rested. But your energy didn't come back.
Because your brain never stood down from stress.
Your nervous system is stuck in survival mode. Without safety, rest does not recharge. Scrolling keeps the nervous system alert. Too much intensity drains you further. Recovery starts with gentle movement. Walking resets stress hormones. Slow yoga tells the body it's safe. Long exhales switch off stress. Safety is the key to recovery. Eat meals that stabilize energy. Late caffeine keeps stress hormones high. Your nervous system needs an off-ramp. This is how sleep becomes restorative. Your body is doing its best. Healing happens step by step. Welcome to the family. This channel is your safe space for real biological truth. Join us. Subscribe and flip the switch on your health forever.